Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 that is hosted by Life with Patti. Now I heard about this from Miss Cat's Crafting because she's doing it. And I thought, man, that sounds really interesting. So this weekend, or I should say Friday, I went and watched, I don't know how many people's videos. 7 weeks worth of ladies, kind of that or not 7 weeks, 6 weeks of different ladies that have been doing this from the beginning of January. So I'm a little behind, but I'm caught up. So each week, Patti comes up with a prompt, and you have to do a 2-page layout. You can use any form of a journal. I am actually using an expired planner to do my pages, and I have a feeling it's going to get really chunky because look at that's only a few pages, 7 weeks in, and I have to get 52 in here. So I may end up changing halfway to a different journal, but that's all right. So I'll just have 2 for this hashtag. But the first page was introduction page. Now my cover had the date of an expired, I think it was 2022. So I just covered that, and then I did the inside cover. And here is my introduction page. Sorry, I still have that slight hoarseness and cough. I got up in this corner, and what I did here is this cover here looked exactly like this inside my book. So and it had a 2024 planner, whatever. So I covered that up. Added some of my own mixed media on the side. This is my own mixed media paper. And then what I did is I put Miss Cat's Crafting Told Me. And then I got hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 with Life with Patti. 2024 Artisan Journal. I thought it would be fun to do each week. Tina's Messy Crafty Life, week 1 introduction page. And I just stuck Van Gogh there because I thought it needed something. So that is my week 1. Now, if you use the hashtag, a lot of ladies come up with who are doing this, and which is so cool because I watched a lot of you ladies this weekend. I'm sorry I didn't comment. I was in my bed and watching you pretty much in the dark. Just my little computer laptop in front of me. I usually don't comment when I'm using that. So I want to thank you guys who watches this. I will see you on week 2. Like I said, I have a few weeks to catch up and do videos for. I got all the prompts done. I know it's just releasing a video for each weeks to get caught up to this week's. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you, Patti, for hosting this. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.